Hey guys, what's up? Shekhar Suman here from Biotecnika, and I have some great news for you. This afternoon, I was talking to Farhan Zameer Sir, and he told me that he's very happy with the number of admissions so far into the Bioinformatics Global Tools and Techniques internship with hands-on training on more than 20 softwares. And he said he wanted to create some excitement among our subscribers. He wanted to give some gifts because of this reason, and he sent me a gift voucher. Okay, so what I have done is I have hidden this gift voucher in the link given below. All you have to do is solve this jigsaw puzzle and you can grab this gift voucher, and this gift voucher will help you avail amazing gift, and it can be probably Bioinformatics Global Tools and Techniques internship. So all you have to do is click on the link in the description, go ahead and grab your gift voucher, and all the best to all of you. And don't forget to subscribe to Farhan Zameer Sir's internship, which is starting from 1st of February. This internship is on Bioinformatics Global Tools and Techniques, and he's also going to teach you on paper publication, SOP writing, and various other aspects of research. He's also going to teach you OpenAI and artificial intelligence implications in research and bioinformatics in particular. This is a 21 days internship. It is one of the biggest internship Biotecnika has ever conducted, and you have a chance to win this particular internship if you solve the puzzle below. Okay, so go ahead guys, best of luck, and see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.